Hey everybody, it's your boy UNICEHAIR, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a ponytail with 2 bangs and then with some, little festive baby hairs. And we're going to curl it.
When he got to hello. Hello. Get outside.
So I'm not going to be talking too much through this video because it's kind of what you see is what you do. It's not really that much to explain. For the majority of the time, I'm going to just be applying hold-in spray and smoothing the ponytail into place. And then when I get to the ponytail area, I'll just be gluing that around the paper. But I'll come back when I feel it necessary. So y'all, I know this might sound crazy, but I really wish I started doing hair in the days when they used to do like sculpted styles, when they used to do like the big French rolls and the beads, the little gold beads that they would put on the French rolls, like all the sculpted styles, the ones that were like waves and all that kind of stuff. When I was a younger kid, that's what was like popular at the time. I just wish I was doing hair at that time. It's just like something about those sculpted styles that just really did it for me. So I love when I get an opportunity to do something that's kind of similar. It's not exactly the same, but it gets me in the same vibe and I really like it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it if you're enjoying the content. So I did want to showcase that I am using UNICEHAIR. The hair worked really well. UNICE, if you see this video, feel free to send me some products to review. I would love to review some of your hair products. So with the ponytail, I'm going to be doing my base. And with my base, I just added some braiding hair to her hair and braided that down. Then rolled it into a bun. Added some of that wrapping strip around the bun that I made to protect her hair from the glue. And then I'm also adding some rubber bands just to hold everything into place, as well as some holding spray to hold everything into place. And then once I get started, I'm just going to add a little bit of glue at the top of that bun, and then tracks around. I'll just go around and around, and I'll add glue as I need it and wrap the tracks around. Oh, so you really playing and you ain't subscribed? Stop playing with me. Subscribe. So we're almost finished, just doing the baby hairs right now. So we got our finished product.
Yeah, it's doing what it's supposed to do. It's the just like the video, just like the video. I will never take.
So thanks for watching. Stick around for another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.